Today is August 17th, Saturday. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado tilt and telescopic steering column. This is a show quality full restoration of this absolutely magnificent 1967 steering column done in the original 482 Sandlewood interior GM trim coat for 1967 Eldorado. The unit has been completely disassembled as shown in the previous videos, all the way down to the final screw, final component. And everything has been completely restored, including the turn signal wiring harness, the half-round spherical balls, the two upper bearings, the lower spline bearing, the internal shifting tube, the shifting collar, the bowl cover, the body, the levers, and the caps. So this is a show quality restoration. In a moment we'll be doing a functional validation test showing the tilting and telescopic featuring actuations, as well as the electrical continuity for the hazard switch, the turn signal switch, the cornering lights, and the horn. Okay, this is video number 4. This particular unit will be going out to my friend Joe in California as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado tilt and telescopic fully restored steering column. This is George in Florida. Today is Saturday, August 17th. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 Cadillac and Cadillac Eldorado, and over 250,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. And I'm best known for my show quality restoration of the original Cadillac steering wheels, as well as these beautiful tilt and telescopic steering columns. Today is August 17th. Thank you very kindly.